What's up guys, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how I made a potli bag from the leftover fabric for my blouse. This was the blouse back cutout which now will be the base of my potli bag. Take any circular object of the desired size, mark it on the main fabric and lining together and cut it. Cut a rectangular piece. Width of the rectangle should be equal to the circumference of the circle plus 1 inch as the margin and the length as you need it. I took 9 inches in total including the margins of the both sides. Cut the main fabric and the lining both. Now cut a strip as broad as you like, but I took 2 inches including 1 inch margin for the both sides. In order to keep the underneath side of the belt smooth, I am cutting the same size of lining strip as well. And cutting some more strips of the lining to make strings for fastening. Now I've cut the strings, handle, the main fabric and the base. I'm making the strings first so that once the bag is ready I can put it through right away. Now stitching the main fabric of the handle and the lining together so that I can turn it inside out. Now I'm joining the sides of the main fabric, but leaving an inch on the top side of the piece to make a case for string. Stitching the sides of the lining as well, but without leaving a space. Now I will attach the base to the main fabric and the lining separately. Before attaching the lining with the main fabric, I am putting a cardboard base to make it sit properly. I am attaching the lining in a way when I turn it inside, no edges should be visible. So in order to turn the lining inside out, I had to leave some space so that I can do that, and which I could not stitch through machine. I'll be doing hand stitch. Now where we left the opening for the string, we will stitch 2 lines in a gap in order to create a case for strings and prevent it from moving. You can put through the string at the end as well, but I'm doing it now. The last step is to attach the handle. I'm stitching it on the same lines which we used to create the case, just to make it look more neat. And here you go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram account. Till then, stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.